Hi, I'm Tony from NEANN by RAPP Australia, and today we're going to take a look at one of the 3 NEANN trauma bags in the professional series. The one we're going to look at today is the TEK Plus. TEK Trauma Equipment Kit or whatever, but commonly known as the TEK Plus. This is the second in the NEANN professional series. Again, not totally dissimilar to the PRK that we've already talked about. There is this sort of small pouch on the end for various items of PPE or whatever you're wanting to stow. Again, because it's a slightly smaller bag, you can see it's slightly smaller. Again, this bag, as the other had, has got the removable sharps attachment, which you can either use or not use. It's got a magnetic attachment there, clicks on. So that is there. The front pouch, you might remember from looking at the PRK, the front pouch does have, it's a smaller bag, but we still have deliberately designed it to take a 3/4 drug bag, which we've talked about before on a separate video, but that is designed deliberately to take that drug bag if you want it. If you don't, there's certainly an ability to carry other things. There's a separate plastic sleeve. Over and above that though, there is also the option, and we'll talk about this in a separate video, again the 3/4 Airways and the 3/4 drug bag that we make are sized the same. So there's an option to carry either Airways or drug. That's the front pouch. I'll zip that back up. So that's the front compartment. If you want to, again, as with the other bags, I won't talk separately about all the details, but we've talked about the sharps container. I think in separate videos we've also talked about the removable shoulder sling that can be either removed or replaced with a repair. We've also talked about the C-clip handles, the coated webbing, the magnetic handle attachment, which really makes it a one-man or one-person job to be able to open that handle up. If we dive inside this bag, again, similar to the other members of the family, the PRK, slightly different sizing. You can see, again, internal compartments. There's a bit of flexibility in there to fit things. It doesn't have to be sized exactly, but if you need more space, these dividers can be removed, but they can't be moved. So you can't shuffle them along, you can remove them altogether. So that's the dividers. As with other bags, we've got the bag itself as it comes with a blank inside lid. So that's the standard purchase as is, but there are 3 optional extras. You can only fit one of them in, but basically magnetically attachable lid inserts. This one is the Airways panel, just slots in there, ready for use and will stay put. We do have 2 other options. There's the trauma panel, or alternatively the drug and IV panel. They optional extras, purchased separately, but you can see there's an option to upgrade your bag and design it exactly how you want to use it. So I think they're the main features of the bag. There's similarities between all these 3 trauma bags. They're sort of the same family, if you like, but you can see hopefully the differences, different sizing, ability to carry a smaller drug bag in there, as we've said. So there you go. That was a quick overview of the NEANN TEK Plus, or Trauma Equipment Kit Plus.